Okay, so I solved the first question. Simplify these expressions, a upon 5 plus b upon 5. The denominator of both of them is 5 and 5. So I simply am going to write 5 over here, and then I'm simply going to add both of this. A and b, nothing can be added. So your final answer is going to be a plus b divided by 5. This is your final answer.
So, sir, if they are denominators are not same, sir.
Then that is going to be the next question. Okay, this is the next question when the denominators are not same. You can see denominators are 12 and 4. Just copy this down and then we will go on to the second question.
So done.
You have finished, Veer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See the second question over here now. 5a upon 12 plus 3b upon 4. This is the second question I'm doing. Okay, now 4 and 12, we will have to take the LCM. How am I going to find the LCM? I'm going to find the LCM like this. Smaller number first I will write, and then I will write the bigger number. 4, 12. Then I'm going to write like this. Both the numbers 4 and 12 are divisible by 2. So 2 2s are 4. Put a comma. 2 how many are 12? 2 6 are 12. So I will write 6 over here. Again, both the numbers are divisible by 2. So I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to write 2 over here. So 2 1s are 2. And 2 3s are 6. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Now here 1 is there and 3 is there. So final thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to write 3 over here. This 1 will be as it is. And 3 1s are 3. Both of these have become 1 1. When you multiply all these three numbers, which three numbers? These three numbers. These three numbers you are going to multiply. You are going to get the LCM. So what is the LCM over here? Okay, 2 into 2 into 3. This is your LCM. So 2 into 2 is 4 into 3, 12 is going to be the LCM. Okay. Now in the next step, what I'm going to do? I will make this common denominator. Whatever is the LCM, that will become same denominator for both of these numbers, both of these terms. Now here 12 is there, here also 12 is there. So I'm going to write here 5a only. Because here 12 is there in the green part. LCM is also 12. So I'm going to write the same term over here 5a. Plus. Now 4 multiplied by what is going to give me 12? 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. So this term which is there, it is going to get multiplied by 3. I'm repeating the step once again. Okay, here the denominator is 4. 4 multiplied by which number is going to give me 12? 4 multiplied by 3 is going to give me 12. So this term which is there 3b, I'm going to multiply by 3. Now 3 and 3 are the numbers over here, the digits. So 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. So this is going to come 3 into 3 is 9 and b is going to remain as it is. This is your final answer. 5a plus 9b divided by 12. This is the simplification that we have done when the denominator are not same. I'm repeating all the steps what I have done. First I'm finding LCM. LCM is 12. 5a upon 12, here 12 only is there. So I'm going to write here 5a as it is. Second step, 4 multiplied by which number gives me 12? 4 multiplied by 3 gives me 12. So I multiply this by 3. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. B I am writing over here. Your final answer is 5a plus 9b divided by 12. This is your final answer. You are going to take down everything what I'm highlighting over here for the second sum. Just take down everything and then we will solve and go on to the next question. See part number question number 3, 2a upon 15 plus 3 upon 5. Now again 5 and 15 I'm going to take the LCM. So smaller number is 5, greater number is 15. Both numbers are divisible by 5. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 threes are 15. This is divisible by 3. 1 will come as it is and 3 ones are 3. Both of these have become 1 and 1. So your LCM is 5 multiplied by 3. So your LCM is 15. I have recorded this. You can review and revise it again and again. So now I'll make a bigger line and then your LCM is 15. 15 only is over here. So 2a will be written as it is. Now 5 multiplied by what? 5 is here in the denominator. 5 multiplied by which number will give me 15? Okay. 5 multiplied by something will give me 15. 5 multiplied by 3 is going to give me 15. So this number will get multiplied by 3. Why? Because here 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. Okay. So 3 multiplied by 3 over here is 9. I'm repeating all the steps. First I have taken the LCM, which is 15. I write 15 over here in the denominator. Here 15 only is there. So same term is going to come over here, which is 2a. This 2a comes over here. Then 5 multiplied by which number gives me 15? 5 multiplied by 3 gives me 15. This 3 I'm writing here. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. This is your final answer. Okay, just copy down everything. The next,
do alone.
now this question is different. I'm doing it. A divided by 4, a upon 4 plus 3 upon b. Now see here in the denominator what terms or numbers are there. Here 4 is there and here b is there. 4 is a number and b is not a number. It is an unknown variable. Okay. So your LCM is going to be multiplication of both of this. So your LCM over here is going to be 4b. Okay. Now what I'm going to write over here. Okay. You see first of the term is a upon 4. This term I've written here, a upon 4. This has to be multiplied by the LCM, which is 4b. LCM is 4b. I'm going to multiply. I can cut 4 and 4 over here. So what is remaining here? A is remaining and b is remaining. So in the first term, I'm going to get AB. Plus sign is there. So I'm writing this plus sign over here. And then for the second expression, I'm going to write this term over here. 3 divided by b. 3 divided by b. This will be again multiplied by LCM, which is 4b. Okay. Now here b and b will get cut. What is going to come over here? 3 multiplied by 4. So 12 is going to come over here. I am repeating all the steps once again. Just pay attention. In the denominator here, 4 is there and b is there. 4 is a number, b is an unknown variable. So your LCM is 4b, 4 multiplied by b. Then I am writing this a upon 4 over here. This a upon 4 is written over here. This is multiplied by the LCM. This is the LCM 4b. Okay. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to cancel this 4 and 4 out over here. What is remaining here is A and this is B. So I'm writing here AB. Then plus sign is there. This plus sign I'm writing here. Then I'm writing 3 upon B. This is your second term expression, which is multiplied again by the LCM, which is 4B, which I have written here. Then what I'm doing here, I'm cancelling out this B and B. What is remaining is 3 multiplied by 4. 3 multiplied by 4, I have written here. This is 12. Just copy down this and then we'll go on to the next question.
So can I drink water?
Yeah. Okay, this is the fifth question. 3a upon 10 plus 4 upon b. This question you will try on your own as I have done the question number 4. Okay, now here we are having the fifth question, 3a upon 10 plus 4 upon b. Now 10 and b, nothing is common. So your LCM straight away is going to be 10b. Okay, whatever the term is there here, the first term is 3a upon 10. 3a upon 10. This you have to multiply by LCM. LCM is 10b. Now what I can cut over here, I can cut this 10 and 10. What is remaining here? 3 is remaining, A is remaining, and B is remaining. So here in the numerator, I'm going to have 3AB. Then plus sign is here. So this is plus sign. Now I'm going to take this second of the term, 4 upon B. This will be multiplied by the LCM, which is 10B. Okay. So here now B and B will get cut. What is remaining here? 4 multiplied by 10. 4 multiplied by 10 is 40. You'll put this in the bracket. This is your final answer. I'm repeating all the steps once again. 10b, nothing is common. 10b is the LCM. 3a upon 10 I have written here. Okay, this is 3a upon 10. This is multiplied by the LCM. LCM is 10b. Then what I have done, I have cancelled this 10 and 10. What is remaining is 3a and b. So 3ab is written here. Then the second term of the second term, what is there? 4 upon b. 4 upon b I have written here. This is 4 upon b. Then I have multiplied this with LCM. LCM is 10b, which I have written here. From this part, what is getting cancelled? B and B is getting cancelled. What is remaining here? 4 multiplied by 10. 4 multiplied by 10 is 40. This is your final answer. Just copy that down. Okay, the next question. The first of the term is 4a upon 9. And the second part of the expression is plus 3 upon 2b. Now, what terms are there in the denominator? Here 9 is there. And here 2b is there. Nothing is common. So the LCM over here is going to be 9 multiplied by 2b. Okay, 9 multiplied by 2b is 18. And b will be there. So the LCM is going to be 18b. So I'm going to write this term over here, 18b is the LCM. So I'm going to write both the terms over here, 4a upon 9, and the second part of the expression is 3 upon 2b. Both of these terms I'm going to multiply by the LCM, which is 18b. Now you see what is getting cancelled. 9 2s are 18.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is going to get cancelled. 9 1s are 9 2s are 18. From this expression, you can see here b will get cut. And 2 also you can cut with 18. 2 9s are 18. So here 2 will get cut. 2 9s are 18. Whatever numbers are remaining that you are going to multiply. 4a is remaining here and 2 is remaining. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So this is going to become 8a and even b is remaining here.
8 and B. 8 only.
8ab. Then plus
Yes.
sign is there. What is remaining here is 3 is remaining and 9 is remaining. 3 multiplied by 9 is
Sir.
27. So 27 I'm going to write over here.
Okay.
I have recorded everything. You have to revise this again at least 3 times. You have to do the revision. Just
Yes.
take down that and then we will move on to the next part.
Yes.
Okay, see the next part here. Substitute x is equal to 3 into 6x plus 2 divided by 2 and work out the answer. Okay, this is the first part that I'm solving. X is equal to 3. Now here the expression is 6x plus 2. This whole is divided by 2. I'm supposed to substitute here x is equal to 3. Okay, so this is going to be 6 multiplied by, instead of x I'm going to write 3. Instead of x I'm supposed to substitute it as 3 plus 2. The whole thing is divided by 2. I'm supposed to use BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule means multiplication will be done first. 6 multiplied by 3 is 18 plus 2. This is divided by 2. Again, BODMAS rule here. 18 plus 2 I'm going to add over here. This is going to become 20 divided by 2. I can cut this with 2 and this is going to become 2 tens are 20. So your final answer is 10. Look at the second part, B part. Substitute x is equal to 3 in 3x plus 1. So the term over here is 3x plus 1. This is equal to, okay, x is equal to 3. So 3 multiplied by, instead of x, what am I supposed to write? I'm going to write here 3. Instead of x, I'm going to write 3 plus 1. This is equal to 3 into 3 is 9 plus 1. Again, your answer over here is 10. Look back to Ian's solution and explain why this method works. Okay, what I have done is I have simply taken 2 common. I'm writing this here in the red part, 6x plus 2 divided by 2. Now from these both parts, I'm taking only the numerator. From these both parts, I'm taking 6 and 2. 6 is here and 2 is here. I'm taking here 2 common. 2 3s are 6, so this will become 3x plus 2 1s are 2, so this will become 1 divided by 2, and then you cut this 2, therefore this 3x plus 1, this 3x plus 1 is written here, and therefore you are getting the same answer. You can take down all of this what I have written on screen. Okay, part 8, simplify these expressions. Make sure you factorize the numerator before you cancel with the denominator. So I'm doing the A part first of all over here. 6x plus 3. This is divided by, in the denominator here we are having 3. This is equal to 6 and 3. 3 is common. Inside the bracket what is going to come? Okay, 6x is there, 3 2s are 6. Okay, here 6 is there, 3 is taken out common. So 3 2s are 6. So 2 is coming here and x is also there. Plus 3 is taken common here, 3 is there. So 1 is going to come over here. This whole will be divided by, here in the numerator, this 3 is there, which I'm going to write over here. Now this 3 is outside the bracket. I can cancel it. What is going to remain is going to be your final answer, which is going to be 2x plus 1. This is your final answer. Remember here, when these numbers are plus sign is over here, I cannot cancel this 3 and 3. This part will be wrong. You cannot do this. Only if this 3 is outside the bracket, then this cancellation is possible. That's why what I have done over here, I have taken from this 3 is taken common. 3 2s are 6. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6 and 3 1s are 3. This 3 is here. Then 3 is outside. So now I can cancel it. What is remaining here is 2x plus 1, which I have written here. Copy down the first sum and try and attempt the B question on your own. Okay, here 5 is there and here 10 is there. So from that you see, you have to take common and write the remaining numbers inside the bracket, and then you have to do the cancellation and calculation. Here 5 is there and here 10 is there. So what will you take common?
Sir, 5.
5 will be taken common.
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
So here 5 is taken common. Now inside the bracket. Okay, 5 is already there, so that is gone out. That is taken common. So what will be remaining from 5x? From 5x, 5 is gone out. So what is going to remain?
Sir, y will come down to, sir, it will be 10 will remain.
10, I am reading only this part. I am reading only this much. From 5x, 5 is gone out. What is going to remain?
Sir, the signs.
What have I highlighted over here? What is this? What can you read?
So it's number 5.
Only 5. This is only 5.
Yes, sir.
This is only 5. Read again.
It's a 5x.
5x. From that, this 5 is gone out. What will remain?
Sir, x.
X is going to remain.
Yes, sir.
Correct? So
Yes.
here, x is going to remain here from 5x. So here x is remaining.
Yes.
Plus, now here 10 is there. See
Yes.
this here, 10 is there. From that 5 is gone out. So what number will remain here? 5 multiplied by what will give me 10?
Sir,
5
5
2s are, so 2 is going to come here. You got this?
Yes, sir.
So here I'm going to write over here. This is going to be 2 over here plus 2. This whole thing, this 5 is already over here. This 5. Now I can cut this 5 and 5. What is remaining over here is x plus 2. This is your final
Answer.
Copy that down.
Sure, done.
Okay. Do the C part. Okay, so this question that you have sent me is correct. And this is the next question that you are going to solve. Okay, so here in the numerator, the expression is 8x minus 20. This is upon whole upon 4. Now out of 8 and 20, I can take 4 common. So this is equal to 4 is taken common inside the bracket. Now here 8x is there and 4 I have taken out. 4 2s are 8. Inside the bracket here 8 is there. 4 2s are 8. So here 2x is going to come. 4 2s are 8. Then minus sign is there. And then 4, what's are 20? 4 multiplied by which number will give me 20? 4 multiplied by something, they should give me 20. 4 multiplied by which number is going to give me 20?
Yes.
It's going to be 4 5s are 20. 4 into 5 is 20. So I'm going to write here 5 over here. This whole thing is divided by 4, which is over here. Now I can cut this 4 and 4. What is remaining? That is your final answer, which is 2x minus 5. This is your answer. I'm repeating what I have done once again. Okay, 8 and 20, 4 is taken common. 4 2s are 8, so I'm writing here 2x. Then minus sign is there, which I'm writing here. 4 5s are 20, so I'm writing 5 over here. Then I got this 4 and 4. What is remaining inside the bracket? 2x minus 5. That is your final answer. You can take this down. We will continue tomorrow.